Hello everyone, this is Bradley. Today this is an announcement for the discount in winter sale. First of all, if you're a monthly subscriber at a level 2 and above, you can directly enjoy a 40% discount. So you can just go into the shop and buy whatever you want. For all other users, you can either use the link provided in the description or you can type in the coupon code at checkout. Please be aware that the discount is only available for the minimal price listed. So if it asks $2.4, you need to type in $2.4, and so you pay for $2.4. The winter sale will last until January 3rd of 2026. If you are willing to support this channel, it will be appreciated. Recently, I've posted lots of knitting animation because, as I've mentioned, there's a hair curve rendering development in eevee that's greatly helped working with it since 3.4. I've bundled them in an originally discounted price at $17, and you can use the coupons on top of it to minimize your cost. Another notice is that you may find that there are lots of files along with lots of tags. There are free tags available for everyone. There's also L2 free tags for subscribers at level 2 and above. If you are a level 2 monthly subscriber buying these products and the system asks you to pay anything at the checkout page, please let me know because you should not pay anything. The price listed is for those who are not subscribed but are still looking for a specific file. And this list will not be there forever, as you may or may not notice. Some of the files are already retracted because they need to be included as a part of bundle or other things. As a compensation, you enjoy a quite high discount up to 40% compared to the other users. On the other hand, there are many files, particularly those visual effects or flowery mograph files. They were never a part of L2 free distribution, but they are discounted now, so perhaps it's a good chance to take these animation files. There will be a separate video talking about some important aspects of the file you bought, but this is for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully enjoy the discount at your benefit. I'll probably see you next time. Bye-bye.